If you're experiencing frame stuttering in Baldur's Gate 3, follow these steps to improve your gaming experience. This guide will help you troubleshoot and optimize your settings. Step 1. Update graphics drivers. Ensure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the latest drivers. This can significantly enhance performance and fix compatibility issues. Step 2. Adjust in-game settings. Launch the game and navigate to the settings menu. Lower the graphics settings such as resolution, texture quality, and shadow quality. This can help reduce the load on your system and improve frame rates. Step 3. Close background applications. Before starting the game, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. Programs like web browsers, streaming services, or other games can consume valuable resources, leading to stuttering. Step 4. Verify game files. If you're using a platform like Steam, verify the integrity of the game files. Right-click on the game in your library, select Properties, go to the Local Files tab, and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This will fix any corrupted files that may be causing issues. Step 5. Optimize system performance. Adjust your computer's power settings to prioritize performance. Go to Control Panel, select Power Options, and choose the High Performance plan. Additionally, ensure your system meets the game's minimum requirements for optimal performance. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in frame stuttering while playing Baldur's Gate 3. Enjoy your gaming experience.